piece of Nanny's homemade bread. Enjoy. Oh, jeez, dog. Which one of you boys gave Maggie the bread? Okay.
I'll clean it up.
You will. That'd be wonderful.
With Big Magnet Robot Vacuum.
Oh, cool. Show me what's in this robot vacuum of yours that you're going to clean up that mess of yours.
Okay, come over. Found its own batteries.
Well, that's for the remote control. Okay, so we got the remote control. This looks like the docking station, the charger, the vacuum itself.
Pretty huge.
Oh, we got some of the brushes over here. Can't really get them out. There we go, the brush. Got our operation guide, and the very first thing it says to do is to scan that QR code to get the app. So Mel's going to do that real quick. Get the app. App installed, account created. Now we're going to add the device. And we're supposed to go to small home appliances. And we're going to find robot vacuum Wi-Fi. And then we're going to take care of our family network here. The next step is to turn it on and press the home key for 5 seconds.
System boot switch.
Then we're supposed to open up the lid and reset the Wi-Fi. Open up the lid, comes right off. You see where that reset button is? It's supposed to be right here.
Network connected. Please check the app service for results.
Alright. Time to put it back on and finish through the app. So now we're trying to connect to the device. Added successfully. Cool. It's a nice cleaning pattern. Alright, buddy. I need you to put the brush in there. Now, because we're about ready to do it, we're going to take these out. We only need one at a time. Take that out. You can stick right there. It just comes right out. And now when it hits, it knows to back away from that wall. That kept it from closing. We're going to test it out. Alright, go find the breadcrumbs. Go find the breadcrumbs. Look at that, nothing left. We went ahead and put the charging station in the corner of the room. We put the vacuum cleaner on it, so hopefully it'll know exactly where to go when it's time to go home. From the app, we're going to go ahead and start it. We're going to use the remote control, and I'm going to send it home to the charging station. Wow, that was awesome.
Start charging.
So this is really awesome. There's the automatic cleaning where the vacuum will identify the environment, and then it'll show us where the charging station is, any obstacles that it encountered, and then it'll run its course and clean around all the obstacles. We're going to pull up the cleaning record, and this is what it has mapped so far. We haven't let it do the whole room yet, but that's what we got in the corner where the charging station was. We had to take a break and charge it. It takes roughly 8 hours to get a full charge. So let's go ahead and turn it on remotely. It's gonna clean up your mess, Maggie. And it shows what it's doing. That is so cool. It's gonna get those crumbs now. And the crumb is gone. Even pieces of tennis ball. Still mapping all of the cleanable area. It's in our foyer. Coming right back into our family room. It did the family room and the foyer. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see what we cleaned up. Lots of nasty dog fur. Yuck. Extremely easy to clean though. I like that a lot. Just open it up and dump it out. So now we're going to try the mop. So we're just going to pop it off. Comes off very easily. And then we're going to go and we're going to fill a little bitty reservoir right here over the sink. Colton, resume now that we got the mop on it. Yep, you can see the streak right there. Mops the floor too. If we hit play on it and it does this, we can't do anything. But if we pause it, now, Colton, show me what you can do with it, buddy. Every time you hit forward, it goes forward a few inches. If you hold it down, it just keeps going. If you hit left and right, what does it do? It just turns, doesn't it? Yep. So if it misses a spot for whatever reason, you can get it with the remote control or with manual controls on the app. This robot vacuum is awesome. Not only does it vacuum, but it mops. You can control it with the remote control with the app. Set it to automatic and it'll just go through and plot the entire floor. And it goes back and forth in parallel lines, very close together so it doesn't miss anything. It cleaned up all of our breadcrumbs. And I highly recommend this for somebody who doesn't have the time to go through and mop and sweep yourself. So if you would like this vacuum, click on the link below.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.